Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We are going on an adventure.
Yeah, that's why we look like mushrooms.
Yeah. So,
I was planning on working all day today. And then I decided, screw working. The weather is nice.
yeah, it's supposed to
Let's go
get
for a 4-hour bike ride.
it's supposed to get rainy for the next few days, and I'm feeling okay. So, let's go.
Me too. Got a shot in my elbow yesterday.
Yeah.
Doing better.
This is going to be my first big outing since my surgery.
You sure you're gonna be good? Okay.
Should be. I hope so. We'll figure it out.
The plan is to drive to this beautiful city called Marburg and to eat lunch, dinner-ish.
Yeah.
There.
We'll see
and
when
then
we get
head
there.
home. And then my friend also invited me to her birthday party later, so we might have to hurry up and be home before that.
We'll figure it out. But we're going to bring you guys along for the
Yeah, we'll
adventure.
take you along.
Right up there is the castle. It's pretty crazy. That's where, I don't know how good you can see it there, but so we made it to Marburg. Bunch of little shops. There's a whiskey shop that I went in right there. Pretty cool. They got some really sweet stuff from all over the world. But they even have some stuff that we know from back home that I've never seen even back home. So,
I'm gonna go in here.
like with Rise, pretty cool. Mila found a little store she's going in. She's trying to find a present for a friend. Yeah, but this is part of the old city here in Marburg. So some of these buildings, they could be from the 1500s, maybe earlier. It's pretty interesting to see if you look at the architecture and how everything is here. Very old style, old world, but they're just one on top of the other. Very interesting though.
It's like a table over here.
Yeah, lemons.
Like very summery, right?
Yeah.
She's open a little bit longer, so we might be able to come back and do something like that.
Okay.
It's also a cute store. They have some cutesy tiny little things.
Yeah, definitely. Look at the orange tree right there.
It's cute. I don't know if I want to get like flowers or anything like that.
Yeah. So another store, but we think
It's cute. That could be something for Claudia. I just don't know. The sun is cute. I love this. The butterfly. Because you put that in your room, in the window where the sun's shining through, you will see all these beautiful things. You'll see like the colors in your room then, and it's so beautiful. I love this. This could be a good option. So I'm gonna go in and check it out.
so. We just got out of the store. Mila found some stuff for a friend, a book and a window thing. Now there's like a little train trolley that goes through here for the kids. Well, kids and adults. It says it goes around the whole city. So yeah, we were showing that earlier. Lots of stuff. So this city is it's up very high. You can keep going down way further down, but you can't see behind these buildings. You can go even higher up, and there's a castle there. It's a pretty cool. We've been there a bunch of times with a car. No, only with a car.
Although I would chance it.
Although the last time we were there was a few years ago when our friend Madonna and Jerry came to visit us. They were in France and took a few days to come over and hang out with us. It was awesome. So one day we took them to 3 different castles by us. It was a good time.
Yeah, it was awesome.
So I'm not sure the camera's gonna do it justice, but you can go even higher up, and it even goes even higher than that. It's pretty crazy, but it's a beautiful, beautiful city. We pretty much live between this one and this other town, Gießen. It's a day and night difference. Here it's all nice and still old, where Gießen during World War II, over 90% of it was leveled, so, and this remained untouched. Yeah, but it's not like this.
Well, this also sits on top of the hill with the castle and stuff. So it
Yeah.
makes it, this is like a very. There's also a lot of tourists right now, even when you see like people walking.
Yeah.
I saw people speaking French before. I mean,
I just heard some Americans over there.
it's a city that pulls in some tourists because
Yeah.
it's just beautiful.
It's definitely beautiful.
Yeah. And it's a nice breeze right now.
Yeah. And there's a shop for Batman
This is
and Spider-Man
I
hanging.
think, was that the comic book store?
Yeah, that's the comic book store that we passed.
Which we wanted to bring Amy here next time.
Yep. Well, we're about to pack up and head home. We'll see you guys. So we're on our way home with the bikes from Marburg. We had to stop for a second because Mila said we didn't see the castle at all. So we've been riding for, I don't know, about a little while. So this castle, we were like right there, a little bit further below it, but that's where we went to hang out. So we rode to that city, to the old part of it, and now you see we're back out in the fields, out in God's country, and we're heading home.